Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, or good night, sir, and anyone else watching. My name is Amadeo Giannino, and today I'm going to explain on why I accept the government's word on the average new cases of COVID in Indonesia. So, first things first, I take the sample of 28 days as I made the paper on the 28th of May, and I use the data from the start of that month as I find it very reasonable for it to be categorized as the new cases of COVID in Indonesia. Then, after taking the sample, which is 28 days, I counted the average of the data where I got 4,821.1785714.286 as the result, and also counted the standard deviation using a calculator, which is 1042.1167579986. I used a calculator so that it's more accurate. Uh, I then use the t distribution to do this. The H0, which is the government's statement, is 5060, while the H1 is any number other than 5060. And I set the significant level to 0.05 or 5%. Well, usually it's zero point 0.1 or 10%, but I wanted it to be more accurate, so I used 0.05. So the formula to get the t value is this one. The formula is the average data, which is 4,821, minus the H0, which is 5,060, divided by the standard deviation, divided by the square root of the number of sample, which is 28. And that gives me minus 1.21278716225 as the t value. And then after I got the t value, I entered the t value into a t distribution calculator as the percentile x and set its degree of freedom to 27 because the degree of freedom is the number of sample minus 1. And because my t value is a negative number, which is minus 1.21, I use the lower cumulative from the t distribution table as the information that I need, and it's 0.11785 blah blah blah, which is more than the significant value that I set, which is 0.05. So the lower cumulative is more than my significant value, which means that it's true, and I accept the claim of the government's word of the new cases of COVID being around 5,060 cases per day. And that's it from me and my steps of claiming the government's word, and I believe the government. Thank you so much.